This past February, I traveled with a mission ambassador group to Ludhiana, India to learn more about the Christian Medical College and hospital located there. I don't believe that I had any specific expectations of what a hospital and college in northern India would look like. What I was met with was an impressive facility with brilliant doctors and teachers with a heart for serving. One of the things that impressed me the most about Ludhiana CMC was not only how state-of-the-art it is, but how in fact they are leading the medical field in several areas. While touring the campus, I was delighted to meet with the director, Dr. Abraham Thomas. He shared with us quite humbly that he and his colleagues performed the very first full-face replant in the world. Their work was so innovative and impressive that it was written up in several medical journals and magazines, and they were consulted for the world's first full-face transplant. Something else about Dr. Thomas's amazing story touched me as well. The face replant patient was a young girl at the time of her tragic accident. Her life was affected by the work of Ludhiana CMC in such an overwhelmingly positive way that she now works on staff there as a nurse. I also had the honor of meeting with Dr. Harinder Bedi, Chief of Cardiovascular and Thoracic Surgery, who does bypass surgery on the beating heart. Oftentimes, the heart is stopped for this type of surgery, but with Dr. Bedi's capability of performing the surgery while the heart is still beating, some risks of surgery are decreased and recovery time is much faster. Another noteworthy activity of Ludhiana CMC is the research of Dr. Nita Kang, head of the Betty Cowan Research and Innovation Center. Dr. Kang's current focus is the study of a particularly aggressive type of brain tumor. Her research aims to understand why these tumors grow so quickly and develop treatments for children and adults. Dr. Kang prides herself on her state-of-the-art research lab and the high standards she holds for her research practices, which in turn produce high-quality data. Minds of this caliber could demand exponentially higher salaries at other hospitals in India and throughout the world. They choose to use their skills at Ludhiana CMC because of their belief in its philosophy, to contribute to the health needs of India by training primarily Christian medical, dental, nursing, and other health professional students, and by providing holistic health services to the community and the nation, with people of the Christian faith serving in Christ's name, alongside those of other faiths who identify with these aims and goals. For more information on what you can do to contribute to the important and impressive work of the Ludhiana CMC, please visit www.ludhianamissouri.org.